In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to star a dashboard in Grafana. Starring a dashboard is a simple way to mark it as a favorite so you can get back to it quickly. Think of it like bookmarking a page in your browser, but inside Grafana. Here's how to do it from start to finish. First, open your browser and head to Grafana. Once you're in your Grafana instance, look to the left-hand side of the screen. That vertical sidebar is your main navigation. We'll use it to jump straight into the dashboards area. Click Dashboards in the left sidebar. This opens the dashboard's home, where you can browse by folders, see recently viewed items, or search by name. Take a moment to find the dashboard you want to keep handy. If your organization has a lot of dashboards, using the search bar here can save time. Now select the dashboard you want to star by opening it. With the dashboard loaded, shift your attention to the top area of the page. In the upper menu, near the dashboard title, you'll see a small star icon. It may look like an outline if it's not starred yet. Click that star. When the star turns orange, your dashboard has been starred. That color change is your confirmation. No extra dialog boxes needed. If you ever change your mind, you can click the star again to unstar it. The icon will revert back to its outline state. A quick note, the exact shade or contrast can vary depending on your theme, but the idea is the same. Filled means starred. To find your starred dashboards later, return to the left side menu and click Starred. This view collects all the dashboards you've marked, making it the fastest way to pull up the ones you use the most. You should see the dashboard you just starred right there in the list. Open it from here anytime you need it and repeat the same process to star as many dashboards as you like. A few helpful tips before we wrap up. Starring a dashboard is a personal preference. It affects your account only and doesn't change what others see. If you don't see the star icon, you might be in a context where the page hasn't fully loaded or your permissions are limited. In that case, try refreshing the page or checking with your administrator. Also, keeping a small, curated set of starred dashboards makes this list more useful over time. And that's it. You've learned how to star a dashboard in Grafana and where to find it afterward.